the intersection between these three is what we call sustainability. And the best framework that I've seen, I think that's the best thing we can refer to when it comes to sustainability and sustainable development is the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which are these ones here. Hopefully, some of you have seen them before, maybe from our events. There are 17. You will see them later as well. From no poverty to zero hunger, life on land, peace and justice, and climate action is just one of these 17 SDGs. We can divide them perhaps in each pillar: economic, social, and environmental. And I will quickly give an example of how interdependent they are. Like, you cannot talk about one or touch one without directly or indirectly, affect another one. So, for example, let's take the example of SDG number 11, sustainable cities and communities. And Bristol is a pretty sustainable city, as we all know. They want to become carbon neutral by 2030. So that will be about clean energy and green energy. But it have to be affordable. So there are huge inequalities in, all around the city. Very wealthy neighborhoods and very poor neighborhoods. So it has to be affordable and ensure that we, don't have like food poverty. And that will always contribute to, the basic needs, like having a good health and well-being, and no suffering from hunger. That will increase the economic growth in the long term. And because we saw that 5 people would die every single week in 2019 because of air pollution. So that feeds back to the SE number 3. We have to preserve the biodiversity. We are having many green spaces all around the city. And yeah, we could talk about every single SDG, and we are actually doing that.